Hey everybody, Vinny here. Today I'm going to do another review from Magic Candle Company. Today we're going to do Splash, which of course is based off of one of the greatest rides at Magic Kingdom and Disneyland, Splash Mountain. This is one I've been wanting to get and check out for quite a while. Of course it comes in the standard tin, which is awesome. Yeah, let's see, here we go. It has the usual warnings. Let's see if we get that focused in here. I don't know if the light would be any better. There you go. And I'll leave that so you can take a look at this. You know, they have all the warnings and all the descriptions. Yeah. Well, let's open this up and check it out. There you go. I love this color. It is just terrific. It's blue, and the smell is wow. I mean, when I lit it up, you gotta let it burn for a little bit so you can get the smell to start working. And when it started to work, wow. I mean, I can close my eyes and I could feel like I'm on Splash Mountain. It's just terrific. You have the water smell, the musty smell of a log flume ride. And it's terrific. It's just one of my favorites. I think, there's so many other ones I have that are really awesome, but this is one of my new favorites to get, or that I've gotten. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you like Splash Mountain. And I would definitely recommend this. They're a great company. Not affiliated with them, but I just like reviewing their products because they are terrific. There you go. And of course they come in this cool little box, which is really neat, like luggage. And there's their website. Yeah, definitely check them out. You can check out my other reviews if you haven't done so yet of them. But yeah, I would definitely recommend Splash. Definitely. This is really cool. Just got it in today. And it is great. All right. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, share this video, comment. Thank you so very much for watching.